In today's video, we're going to create some ice cream of all things, but not just regular ice cream, coconut ice cream. And then we're going to infuse some cream with a little bit of pineapple rum so we can create ourselves a pineapple rum infused whipped cream to go on top of our unbelievable coconut ice cream. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, I tell you what, we got our little minimal amount of ingredients right here. Let's go ahead and get started on our coconut ice cream right now. Let's get started on our coconut ice cream. Check this, look, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of salt. That makes 6. This and this are the same thing. And what is this? This is cream of coconut. This is what we use to make pina coladas with. You know, it's got that great coconut flavor. It's very sweet. So this is what's going to replace our sugar in our ice cream. So we got a half a cup of cream of coconut. We got half a cup of whole milk. We've got 2 cups of heavy whipping cream or heavy cream. I'm using the 40% milk fat cream. We got a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we've got 1 egg and a little bit of, I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Again, use whatever salt you want. Right here we've got kosher, and there's table salt back in there somewhere. But that's it. It's got to be simple, doesn't it? So I tell you what, you see a stand mixer right here. I've got Santa Claus brought me an attachment that goes on my stand mixer, and it's an ice cream churn. So we'll get into showing you how to use that, and you don't have to use this to make this ice cream, but I tell you what, we'll get to that here in a second. So I think it's time for us to, yes it is, get mixing and combining our ingredients for our ice cream. I think I'm done with you. We'll sit you back there. So first thing we're going to do, add move you out of the way, our cream to a bowl, and we're going to lightly beat the cream to get a little bit of thickness to it. And by doing that, we're going to actually just force some air into our cream. So this is going to be a little noisy. So you know what? How about we just go to that real quick standby screen that I just created. Wow, we make a mess, as you can see. All right, I tell you what, that's good and thick, I believe. That's going to work out perfect for us. You see how that thing is just kind of, we just added a little bit of air in there. It's going to help create a little bit more of a creamy texture to our ice cream. Yeah, just like that. Okay, I think that's going to work. I tell you, we'll do this right here because I'm going to still use some of that. And I tell you what, whipping that cream, as usual, makes a mess. So let's clean up just a tad. So next, milk. And with the milk, voila. Oops, about put that in there. Here's our teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to come in just like so. Boy, I sure hope I don't get any shells in here. We're going to open up our egg, just like that. Almost there, almost there. Now I'm going to come in with our cream of coconut, just like this. Get all that good out of there. Heck yeah. I won't leave anything in this measuring cup, just like so. Okay, about as good as I can get it. So back here we go with these, and okay, that's our egg holder. I'm going to come in with just a little bit of a pinch of salt, just like that. That simple. So just like this, guess what, we gotta, whoop, look at that mess there. I knew it, man. I'm sure a lot of people probably tune in just to see me make a mess. So we're going to mix this thing together real nicely, just like so, and then we'll be ready to churn. Okay, here we go. I tell you what, we got ourselves a nice little mix here. Get a little taste. Oh man. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, we are now well combined, like so. Stay right there. Move this out the way, and yes, clean up our mess as we go. Now, while I was mixing that, I thought we'd go to the standby screen again. Sorry about that. And I grabbed this. This is our attachment. It is a double-walled bowl, I guess you could say, that fits in here, filled with some kind of a liquid, and it's been in the freezer for, oh God, probably about 3 days, but you need to leave it in there for about 14 to 16 hours so it freezes. Now, we're gonna come in here and lock it in. Let's see where, okay, we're there. And we've got this little doohickey here that goes in and sits like that. I'm gonna come in just like this and spinning away, just like that. And that's what we're gonna churn this on, is at low speed. Now, one thing I have learned with this and this is you've got to turn it on and then pour your liquid in. If not, it will almost instantly freeze, and then it's hard for this thing to get moving. So, guess what? We're ready to make ice cream. So, I'm gonna turn this on. Tell you what, I will get this. Put you right there. I'm gonna slowly add our ice cream base, just like that. Voila. Now, heck yeah, I'm not gonna let any of this go to waste. Heck no. Heck no. Just like that. Well, I'm gonna try not to let it go to waste. Voila. Yeah, a little bit, that'd be fine. So, there it is. This is what we're doing. And man, instantly, look at that. It's already kind of sort of started freezing. Yes, sirree. Freezing to itself and starting to harden up the way we would expect the ice cream churn to work. Now, again, if you don't have one of these, don't fret. No, man, we can make this. At the point where we poured it in, you take that bowl, put it in your freezer for about an hour. Let that thing start getting hard. Then you take it back out your freezer. Stir it up real good. You can probably whisk it, stir it real well, mix it again, put it back in the freezer for probably another hour or so, and then, man, it's time to eat the ice cream. Right here, we've got about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Then we'll put it in the freezer again for probably about an hour till it firms up, and then we'll be ready to eat some ice cream. So, I'll tell you what, you know, ooh, yes sirree, check that out. Oh man, can't wait for that. So, I tell you what, again, we can hit that little standby screen, and we'll be back here in about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh yeah, looking good. I'll tell you what, that is looking good. It is almost done. It's kind of struggling a little bit. That's a good thing. I tell you what, let's take what we got here. Oh man, that's good. So I take a few more minutes. While we're waiting on that to finish up, let's go ahead and get started on our pineapple rum infused whipped cream. Heck yeah, why not? Why not? So, tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, get it ready, put it here. Now I got about 5 ounces of that 40% milk fat cream, that real heavy cream. Come here, we're gonna add that just like so. Tell you what. Turn that off for a second so we can hear, and I can kind of sort of think. I mean, that takes a lot for me to, anyway, so let's see now, how am I going to get this in here? Well, we can try it. And this right here is a tablespoon and a half of powdered sugar. So I guess we will do this. Okay. Heck yeah, man. I'm actually impressed myself. Here we got 2 ounces of pineapple rum. Oh man, yes. And now I'm going to come in here with this cream of coconut, And I'm gonna just give it a quick little squeeze, just to add a little bit more flavor, just like that. I don't even know what, I don't know, what is that? Maybe a teaspoon. We'll go with that. So here we go. Move some of this out of the way. Now I'm gonna come in here and we're going to charge up our cream and make ourselves some unbelievable flavored whipped cream, just like so. Move you over here, and I'm going to come in, drop one of these. This is a NO2 cartridge. Drop this thing in here, and we're going to listen to it. How about that? It's kind of neat, isn't it? And it's probably going to take 2, maybe 3 of these. We'll probably go with 3. That's kind of what's worked out. A little bit of shake. You know, it's probably 2 might be good enough, but I'm going to go ahead and fire this last one in there. Probably don't need it. There we are. Voila, just like so. Boy, those are cold. So, anyway, back here, you stay right there. And, tell you what, let's see what happens. All right, so let's see what's going to happen here. Voila. How about that? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Check that out. That is homemade pineapple rum infused whipped cream with just a hint of coconut. I tell you what, I'm going to grab a quick spoon and we're going to give this a taste, and then we'll finish this guy up right here. What do we have? Let's see. It's pretty good. Oh man, I tell you, I think that is it. Is it? Let's see. Oh yes. Oh man, that's good. It really is. Let's take a look at this thing real quick. Oh man, yes sirree. Wow. Yes. Oh wow, check that out. Man, cannot wait to munch on some of this, but well, not this one, because through the magic of video, guess what? Not only that, but we already have some made, because you know it takes about an hour to freeze this and get it ready for us to eat. So I've already gone ahead and done that. In a few minutes, this is going to join that and back in the freezer, and that'll give me something to eat later on. Yes, sirree. So here we go. Okay, I've got a cold plate right here. Check this out. I'm going to serve our ice cream in a coconut shell. So what do we need to decorate this thing up, don't we? So I've got some raspberry sauce. I'm going to come in here, and you might want to do this over the sink and just kind of sort of just give it, I don't know, whatever that is, a swirl, a drip, a run. How's that? And this right here is some chocolate sauce. Kind of sort of do the same thing. Voila. How about that? Boom, we have a decorated plate and extremely messy sink. So let's grab ourselves. I tell you what, I'm going to move you out of the way, and we're going to come in here. I've got an ice cream scoop, kind of got it a little warmed up, and we're just going to come in just like that. Oh man, yes sirree, holy cow. I tell y'all what, I have had this a handful of times, and you talking about something that's good? Whoo, man. So here we go. Come in here just like this. Let go, let go. There it is. That's why you have that right there, Dave. But there you go. Check that out. Heck yeah. So we'll come in here with our whipped cream. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but we're going to come and just give a, and you got to be, don't just squeeze this thing because it'll blow up all over you. So we're going to come in, see there, give a little bit of something there. Woo! See there? How about that? Hey man, this is real stuff. So I think that'll be more than enough for us. And we'll come back in here and just give it a little bit of decoration there and a little bit right there. How about that? Now, whatever you do, don't mimic me and make a complete mess like that. Man, it's everywhere. But anyway, there you go. Quick, simple, easy coconut ice cream and whipped cream everywhere. Yes, sir. I mean, bam, it's already falling there. But I tell you what, y'all give this thing a shot. It is delicious. It's simple. It's creamy. Oh, man, unbelievable. Hey, how about down here? Check out that no-bake key lime pie I've got. And hey, right here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.